Wow, she just looks so sweet, her style is so like a dove. The better way she won't move, she make her own self the master hip-hop. She looks the past to make perfect, and now she challenging the audience to bring the future to place of God, and they are so sweet to smell. Live without tear, will work for climb. The life is not reach to the top. No hero, no superstar without challenge to fight the past and present. You look the future, what will you belong? You try the best, fought so hard to fly away without interest. The time we live so bad. Iamonlang, the young girl in Meghalaya, she proved herself to be done by a talented, she just strong or skilled to show the world that she's stronger. She has the one possible explanation to the other to believe ourselves. Sometimes help doesn't work without imagination. To work so hard for one ref. Give it up, Iamonlang, God bless you. You win the battle of all challenge, because you believe yourself you can do, until you reach the top and best in end. Thank you, Iamonlang, I support you from the first into the last. You bring the best God has to the rest. Now you can come back in your home with happiness. You have so to learn and move forward. How much you can do for what you are. You fight better than to cry for back. Now who will not believe you are a master? Well done, hip-hop master in Meghalaya. So proud of you, you can so well. We're waiting you, Iamonlang, Jana, to show a state with your bell. Well done, hip-hop master in Meghalaya. So proud of you, you can so well. We're waiting you, Iamonlang, Jana, to show a state with your bell. No. What will you belong? You try the best for so hard to fly away without interest. The time we live so bad.